Jinan North Jinfeng Sewing Machine Company Limited is a professional and experienced manufacturer of band saw machines, band saw blades and circular saw machines. The company was established in 2003, is located in Jinan City, Shandong Province, China, covering an area of 17,342 square meters, with a registered capital of 11 million yuan. It currently has 121 employees and an annual production capacity of 11,000 sets of machine tools and 3 million meters of band saw blades. Our products mainly include semi-automatic band saw machine, automatic band saw machine, angle cutting Meister band saw machine, vertical band saw machine, various customized saw machine, such as double blade cutting band saws, rotary cutting band saws, horizontal and vertical flipping cutting band saws, etc., circular saws, alloy saw blades, and bimetallic band saw blades. These products are widely used in industries such as auto manufacturing, aerospace, mechanical manufacturing, rail transit, and construction engineering. The company has the ability to independently develop, design, and manufacture. It has been awarded titles such as National High-Tech Enterprise, well-known brand enterprise of Shandong Province, and other national-level titles. The company has passed the ISO 9001 Quality Management System certification and CE Product Safety certification, and has been tested and qualified by the SGS institution with high-quality products and excellent after-sales service. Our products are exported to over 40 countries and regions around the world, including Europe, Africa, Austria, Latin America, and Southeast Asia. We look forward to your cooperation.